The traffic flow rate, cars per hour across the intersection, is that where t is in hours, t equals 0, 6 a.m. How many cars pass through the intersection between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m.? Well, to figure that out, we're going to have to integrate from t equals, well, here, from 0 to 1. How do I know that? Let me first write it and then I'll explain. Of the function 500 is 900t minus 90t squared dt. So my variable is t times, this is time 0, time 1. Remember, time 0 is 6 a.m. 1 hour later must be 7 a.m. So that's going to go from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. You see, t equals 0 is 6 a.m. T equals 1 hour later must be 7 a.m. between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. I'm integrating the function, the R of t function, which is what? Um, Cars per hour. This is cars per hour, this function, times, and what's dt? T is hours times hours. The hours will cancel, and we'll get total cars. So all we'll have left. See what I'm doing? I'm just watching the units. I'm saying if I take this, which is this function, which is cars per hour, times dt, hours, the hours will cancel, we'll get cars between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. Just got to integrate that function. How do we integrate a function? Anti-derivative. So we got to take the anti of 500, which will be 500t, and then the anti of 900t, and this is a 1 power, so add 1 be 2, divided by 2, and the minus the antiderivative of 90t squared. And add 1 to the power, become third, divide by 3. Then we got to evaluate that. Oops. So between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So that means what? That means we're going to take 1 and plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. So I'm going to get what? 500 times 1 plus 900 over 2, that's 450 times 1 minus 90 over 3, that's 30 times 1 cubed. And then minus, and then you're going to plug in 0, 0, 0 for t. And that's just all going to be 0 because the lower bound is 0. So the answer is just going to be, these guys going to be 500 plus 450 minus 30 because 1 cubed is just 1. So what is that? 950 minus 30, 920? 920 cars. That must be 920 cars came in between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. And so that's the total number of cars. There we go.